Hello, I am Miss Madhura Satak. I have completed my Masters in Clinical Psychology. I am working as an elderly care specialist in echoing healthy aging. Today I will be speaking about the self love and the activities surrounding it. All of us as human beings have this psychological need of being loved and being uh, belong to a particular society or to a particular group. To feel these needs we feel to fulfill these needs we feel that most of the times it has to be the other person who has to indulge in loving us, but we have this ability to love ourselves which we don't realize usually. So what are the activities that can make us feel loved about ourselves? So there are some activities that we can do. I am going to be going to show one activity that involves self love. So let's first start with deep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So now let's begin with the activity. We can play a soothing music in the background and then start with the activity. So now I will be showing you how to do the activity. So we have a sheet of paper that is A4 size. Now let's fold it into 4 sides. This way and also this way. Now we get the 4 lines on the 4 sides. As you can see, there are 4 lines that we have got throughout. Now we have to think about what we think about the idea of love. What is idea of love for us? And then we have to write it on the top side of the paper, that is this side of the paper. You can write it wherever you like. So I will be writing my idea of love. Now as you can see, I have written the idea of love. Now let's move on to the right hand side of the paper. So my right hand side of the paper would be this side. So I will be writing here about the physical feature that I love the most about myself. So I have written eyes. That is the most lovable feature which I feel for mine. Now we have to write on the left hand side the most beautiful part of our personality that we like, which is non-physical. So that is, for me, it's compassion. I'm more of a compassionate person, loving and caring. So these are the 3 non-physical features which I like about myself. So now let's move on to the last line. So 3 lines are already filled up. Now we have to focus on the last line. So here I am going to write the parts of me which I neglect most of the time. Parts of me or some aspects of my life which I neglect. That is my relationships, for example, if I am neglecting that part. So now I will be showing you the sheet, how it looks like. Let's draw lines. As I have already shown you what a sheet looks like, now let's draw lines which can be either diagonal, it can be straight across the topmost aspect to the next aspect. That is, I can connect idea of love to parts of me. I can also connect non-physical features to parts of me, depending on whatever you like. So now let's check out how it looks like. Now we will be coloring whatever we have drawn. So I will be coloring the hearts that I have drawn, whichever color I would like to pick out. So I have picked out green color. So I will close my eyes again and color it. Will again pick the color and again color it. So I have finished coloring. Now I will again show you how the sheet looks like. Now let's draw. Thinking about what is idea of love for you. Close your eyes and think about what idea of love looks like to you in a symbolic manner, and let's start drawing in certain way by closing the eyes. So now I have finished drawing something. I have drawn heart shapes. For me, idea of love looks like with heart shapes. So I will be coloring it. I will show you how the sheet looks like when I drew the hearts. It's very important to note how we felt while doing this activity instead of the outcome of the activity. The product is not important, how it looks, how presentable it is, or whether it is to be put in, it turned out to be a beautiful drawing or not. It is very important how you felt throughout the process, and which are the parts of you that you would like are neglected, can be loved, and wherein you can work more on such parts.